Love an easy textured crochet stitch? If you do, you're gonna love the Prairie Stitch and Crochet. If you wanna learn, I'm Rachel from Hope Corner Farm, and by day I'm a home ec teacher who teaches hundreds of students how to crochet. And if you wanna learn the Prairie Stitch and Crochet, let's grab a hook and some yarn and get crocheting. To complete this crochet stitch, you're gonna need a crochet hook. I'm using a size J 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. You're also gonna need some yarn. I'm using a size 4 medium weight yarn here in this teal color. This crochet tutorial is using US crochet terms. So for the Prairie Stitch, you're going to have to begin by chaining an even number of chains. So I have 10 chains here. To begin, I'm going to begin by working in the second chain from the crochet hook. Into that second chain, I'm going to place a single crochet stitch. Then I'm going to place one single crochet stitch in each of the remaining chains. This will take my stitch count down to 9 because we lose one stitch by working into that second chain from the hook. So we're going to lose one, and we'll be at an odd number here by the end of this row. So for row 1, it's just a row of single crochet stitches. So I'm going to hurry to the end here and I'll show you what it looks like. And there is the completed row 1. It's all single crochet stitches. For row 2, you're going to begin by chaining 2, and then you're going to turn your work. Now we're going to skip this first stitch. Into the second stitch, we're going to place 2 half double crochet stitches. So there's 1 and 2. Now we're going to skip a stitch, and into the next stitch, we're going to work 2 half double crochet stitches. So there's 1 and 2. Skip the next one, 2 half double crochet stitches in the next. Now we've got 3 stitches left, so we're going to skip one. Into the middle one here, we're going to place 2 half double crochet stitches. So here's 1 and 2. And then in the very last stitch of the row, we're going to place a regular half double crochet stitch. And that completes row 2. For row 3, we're going to begin by chaining 1 and turning our work. We're going to place a single crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to place a single crochet in the next stitch, and we're going to keep placing single crochets all the way until we get almost to the end here. The end is just a little bit different where we place that last single crochet stitch. Now it looks like we should put a single crochet in this stitch, but we're going to actually skip over that guy and put one in the top of that chain too. So we're skipping over this, and into the top of that chain 2, we're going to place a single crochet stitch. And that completes row 3. For the remainder of this project, you're going to alternate row 2 with row 3. And that's the Prairie Stitch and Crochet. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you need a slower, more detailed tutorial for this stitch, you can check out my YouTube channel, Hope Corner Farm Crochet, or my blog, hopecornerfarm.com, where I have slower and photo tutorials for this stitch. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.